Hey, what's up everyone, Eric here. I want to make a quick video about Sollera trash cans and the adjustment. Every now and then you run into a situation like this particular trash can here where the top of the door is sticking out just a little bit, and I'm referring to the trash can's hardware that pulls out like this from a built-in cabinet. So um, there's something to be said about tolerances, and I think within an eighth of an inch or just a little shy of an eighth of an inch, I think that's probably reasonable. But there are a couple of things that we can try to troubleshoot. Um, so, First is when you look at the side of the trash can, at the very bottom, there are a couple of screws here. And on the right here, this one should be fixed and that should be tight. That's where the door pivots. On the left here, by loosening this screw, you should be able to tilt the door away from the trash or inward towards the trash can cabinet. So this is again looking from the left side, and you would have the same thing on both left and right. So looking at the installation spec sheet here, you can kind of see a little better. So this would be from a back perspective, looking towards the back of the door where the hardware mounts. So that's just a mounting screw for the door. I think that's fine. It's the door tilt adjustments here at the bottom. So the one closest to the door is the one that I was referring to earlier that pivots, and the one um, away from the door is the one that helps the tilting. So in this particular case where the top of the door is tilted away from the cabinet, what I would suggest doing is go to the bottom, loosen this screw on both left and right side of the trash can, push the top of the door in, and then tighten up these screws again. So, and I would double check to see if there's any construction debris or sawdust or anything like that that was caught in the screw before you tighten it. So that way, you could adjust for the fine tuning. Second, sometimes you have a trash can that that's not fully engaged in the piston. If you will, I don't know if piston is the best word for it, but if you try to pull the trash can all the way out, um, so if it comes out and you think it's all the way out already, just put your hand at the bottom of the door and give it a little more tug, and you may find like another half an inch to an inch where the piston will be fully released, and then hopefully that should reset it, and then you can just close it, and that should pull everything back in. So those are the two tricks I've got. Hopefully that works for you. Thanks.